channel Palkabal Tech. I am very thankful to all my subscribers. Please do subscribe our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about exercise 2.3 of linear equations in one variables. Now let us see the first problem in that exercise. 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. So the bit heading is solve the following. Solving the simple equation is nothing but finding the value of the variable. So here we are going to find the value of the variable x here. So to find that x value, we are going to transpose the terms. Always I am going to keep the variable terms to the left hand side and constant terms to the right hand side. So here there is a variable term 2x. I am going to transpose towards the left hand side, and this constant I am going to transpose to the right hand side. Okay, now transposing 2x, transposing 2x to LHS side, left hand side, and 5 to RHS side. Okay, I am going to transpose 2x to the left hand side and 5 to the RHS side. Now it becomes as 7x. So when you are transposing 2x to the left hand side, it plus 2x becomes minus 2x, that equal to minus 5 becomes plus 5 to the right hand side. Now 7x minus 2x is 5x equal to 5. From this x equal to 5 divided by 5. Here 5 is multiplied with x, so multiplication becomes division. So 5 by 5, 5 table, 5 ones are 5 ones are. So x is 1 here. Okay. Now if you observe here, now let us see the shortcut method for this same question. So without writing the steps, directly I am going to write the x value here. Let us see the shortcut. X equal to I am going to write directly. So constant term we are transposing to the right hand side. So minus 5 becomes plus 5, that is divided by the quotient of variable will be divided always. So that 7 minus 2 which is 5 by 5 which is 1. The x value is 1. Let us see the second question. 5x minus 12 equal to 2x minus 6. Now I am transposing 2x to the left hand side, minus 12 to the right hand side. Now in the part of solution, 5x transpose 2x to the left hand side, so plus 2x becomes minus 2x equal to, here this side minus 6 left and minus 12 I am transposing right hand side, minus 12 becomes plus 12. Now 5x minus 2x is 3x, that equal to minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6. Now x equal to 6, 3 will divide. So 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Therefore the x value is 2. Okay. Now let us see the shortcut for this question. That is x equal to in the numerator part always we should write the constants. In the denominator part we have to write the quotients of the variable. So in the what are the constants in this question? Minus 6. If you transpose minus 12 becomes plus 12 by, so here the quotient of x is 5, and if you transpose the quotient becomes negative this side, so minus 2, which is minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6 by 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, which is 2. Okay, same answer you will get. Now let us see the third question. 7p minus 3 equal to 3p plus 8. So in the given question, 3p I am going to transpose to the left hand side, minus 3 I am going to transpose to the right hand side. So 7p plus 3p becomes minus 3p, that equal to, here 8 is left plus 8, minus 3 becomes plus 8. Okay, sorry, minus 3 becomes plus 3. Now here 7p minus 3p is 4p, that equal to 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, now p equal to 11 by 4. Now let us see the shortcut method for this. Shortcut, directly I am going to write x value here. The variable is here p. Directly I am going to write the value of p. P equal to, in the numerator always we should write the constants. In the denominator we should write the quotients of the variable. So what are the constants here? Plus 8 and this is minus 3 becomes plus 3 by here the quotient of variable is 7 and when here the quotient of variable is 3, plus 3 becomes this side minus 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11 by 7 minus 3 is 4. So therefore the p value is 11 by 4. Now let us see the fourth question. 8m plus 9 equal to 7m plus 8. So 7m I am transposing to the left hand side, plus 9 I am transposing to the right hand side. Now 8m plus 7m becomes minus 7m, that equal to 8 plus 9 becomes minus 9 in the transposition. Now 8m minus 7m is 1m, that equal to 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Therefore the m value is minus 1. Now see the shortcut. Directly we are going to write the value of the variable. Here the variable is m. M equal to, in the numerator part, constants 8 plus 8. This is plus 9 becomes minus 9 by here variable, the quotient of variable is 8. Here quotient of variable is 7, plus 7 becomes minus 7. So 8 minus 9 is minus 1 by 8 minus 7 is 1, minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. Both are same. Now let us see the fifth question. 7z plus 13 equal to 2z plus 4. So we have to transpose 2z to the left hand side plus 13 to the right hand side. That is 7z plus 2z becomes minus 2z and equal to 4 plus 13 becomes minus 13. Okay. Now here 7z minus 2z is 5z, which is equal to 4 minus 13 is minus 9. Minus 9. From this z equal to minus 9 by 5. So 9 and 5 we cannot cancel in any table. So it is the simplest form. So therefore the z value is minus 9 by 5. Now let us see the shortcut method. Shortcut method for this. Directly the variable is z. Z equal to, in the numerator part constants, in the denominator part the quotients of the variable we need to write. So first here constants plus 4 plus 13 becomes minus 13 by here quotient of z is 7 and here quotient of z is plus 2 becomes minus 2. So 4 minus 13 is minus 9 by 7 minus 2 is 5. Therefore the z value is minus 9 by 5. Now let us see the sixth question. 9y plus 5 equal to 15y minus 1. So here I am going to transpose 15y to the left hand side plus 5 to the right hand side. So 9y minus 15y equal to minus 1 as it is, plus 5 becomes minus 5. So 9 minus 15 is minus 6y. Minus 6y equal to minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Minus is cancelled on both sides. Therefore y equal to 6 by 6. 6 ones are 6 ones are. So y equal to 1. Now see the shortcut for this. See the shortcut. The variable is here y. So y equal to, in the numerator constants, minus 1 minus 5 by quotient of the variables 9 minus 15. So minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 by 9 minus 15 is minus 6. Minus cancelled in the numerator and in the denominator. 6 ones are 6 ones are. Therefore y is 1. Okay, let us see the seventh question. 3x plus 4 equal to 5 into x minus 2. So in the solution part, first what I am doing here. So here x minus 2 is multiplied by 5. So I am going to multiply this 5 inside the bracket terms. So the first one 3x plus 4 is as it is, that equal to 5 into x, 5x, plus into minus, 5 2s are 10. Now I am going to transpose 5x to the left hand side, 4 to the right hand side. So 3x plus 5x becomes minus 5x, that equal to minus 10, plus 4 becomes minus 4. 3x minus 5x is minus 2x, that equal to minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14. So minus is cancelled on both sides. From that x equal to 14 by 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. So therefore x is 7. Let us see the shortcut. The variable is x. X equal to, so in the numerator constants we should write 5 into 2. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 and here the constant is 4, plus 4 becomes minus 4 by, so here the quotient of variable is 3 here, 3, and 5 into 1 is 5, plus 5 becomes minus 5 that side. Okay, now minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14 by 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled on both sides. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. Therefore, the x value is 7. Now let us see the 8th question. 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. So here before the bracket there is a constant 3. That 3 I am going to multiply with inside the bracket terms. Here also I am multiplying 5 inside the bracket terms. So 3 into t, 3t, plus into minus, minus 3 3s are 9, that equal to 5 2s are 10t, plus into minus, minus 5 1s are 5 here. So now 10t I am transposing left hand side, minus 9 I am transposing right hand side. Now it becomes 3t plus 10t becomes minus 10t, that equal to minus 5, minus 9 becomes plus 9. So 3t minus 10t is minus 7t, that equal to minus 5 plus 9 is plus 4. Now t equal to 4 by minus 7, minus 7. 4 by 7 it is in the simplest form. Therefore t equal to minus 4 by 7 is the solution. Now let us see the shortcut method for this. The variable is t here. T equal to, in the numerator constant should be written. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So here 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Minus 9 becomes plus 9 by, here quotient of the variables 3 into t, 3t. So the quotient of t is 3 here, 3, and here 5 2s are 10. 10 is the quotient of t, plus 10 becomes minus 10. Okay, now minus 5 plus 9 is plus 4 by 3 minus 10 is minus 7, which is minus 4 by 7. Now let us see the 9th question. 5 of p minus 3 equal to 3 of p minus 2. So if you observe here, before the bracket here, number 5 is there. Before the bracket, there is a number 3. So I am going to multiply 5 with the inside the bracket terms, and 3 and inside the bracket terms I am going to multiply. In the solution part, 5 into p, 5p, plus into minus, minus 5 3s are 15, that equal to plus into plus is plus, 3 into p, 3p, plus into minus is minus, 3 2s are 6. Now I am transposing 3p to the left hand side, minus 15 to the right hand side. Now 5p plus 3p becomes minus 3p, that equal to minus 6, plus minus 15 becomes plus 15. So if you observe here, in the left hand side all the terms are the variable terms, in the right hand side all are the constant terms. So here 5p minus 3p is 2p, that equal to minus 6 plus 15 is plus 9. Now p equal to 9 by 2. It is the simplest form. Now see the shortcut method for this. The variable is here p equal to constants. So here the first constant is 3 2s are 6, minus 6, and here 5 3s are 15, minus 15 becomes plus 15 here, by the quotient of the variable is here 5p. 5p means the quotient is 5. Here 3p, the quotient is plus 3. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. Okay. Now minus 6 plus 15 is plus 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore the p value is 9 by 2. Okay. Now let us see the 10th question. 5 of z plus 3 equal to 4 of 2z plus 1. So I am going to multiply 5 inside the bracket terms. Here 4 I am multiplying inside the bracket terms. So 5 into z, 5z, plus into plus is plus, 5 3s are 15, which is equal to 4 2s are 8z, plus into plus is plus, 4 1s are 4. Now 8z I am transposing left hand side, plus 15 I am transposing right hand side. Now 5z plus 8z becomes minus 8z, that equal to plus 4, plus 15 becomes minus 15 in the transposition. 5z minus 8z is minus 3z, that equal to 4 minus 15 is minus 11. So minus is cancelled on both sides. Z equal to 11 by 3. Now see the shortcut method. The variable involved is z here. Z equal to In the numerator constants we should write, in the denominator quotients of the variable. Now here 4 into 1 is 4, and here 5 3s are 15, plus 15 becomes minus 15 by, if you observe here, the quotient of the z is 5 into z, 5z, the quotient is plus 5, and here 4 2s are 8z, 8z becomes minus 8 here if in the transposition. Now 4 minus 15 is minus 11 by 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Minus is cancelled on both sides. The answer is 11 by 3 z value. Okay, now let us see the 11th question. 15 of x minus 1 plus 4 of x plus 3 equal to 2 of 7 plus x. So first we have to multiply the numbers with the bracket terms. So 15 into x is 15x, plus into minus minus, 15 ones are 15, plus into plus is plus, 4x, 4 into x is 4x, plus into plus, 4 3s are 12, that equal to 2 7s are 14, plus into plus, 2 into x is 2x. Now I am going, now if you observe here, in the left hand side there are the like terms 15x and 4x. 15x plus 4x is 19x, and minus 15 plus 12, minus 15 plus 12 is minus 3, that equal to 14 plus 2x. Now I am transposing 2x to the left hand side, minus 3 to the right hand side. 19x plus 2x becomes minus 2x, that equal to 14 plus minus 3 becomes plus 3 here. Now 19x minus 2x is 17x, 17x, that equal to 14 plus 3, 17. Now x equal to 17 by 17. So this 17 will divide. 17 ones are 17 ones are. Therefore the x value is 1. Now see the shortcut. The variable involved is x here. Therefore x equal to. So in the first of all constants we need to write. First right hand side constants we are going to take. 2 7s are 14 plus 14. In the left hand side take the constants with the opposite signs. 15 into 1 is 15, minus 15 becomes plus 15. Okay, now 4 3s are 12, plus 12 becomes minus 12 by, now if you observe here 15x is nothing but the quotient is 15, so plus 15. Here the quotient of variable is 4 into x is 4x, so plus 4 it is, and here 2 into x is 2x, the opposite sign of 2 is minus 2. Okay, now simplify it. 14, if you observe 14 minus 12 is plus 2, plus 2 plus 15 is plus 17 by 4 minus 2 is plus 2, plus 2 plus 15 is plus 17, 17 ones are 17 ones are, therefore the x value is 1. Let us see the 12th question. 3 of 5z minus 7 plus 2 of 9z minus 11 equal to 4 of 8z minus 7 minus 111. So multiply 3 inside the bracket terms here. 3 5s are 15z, plus into minus minus, 3 7s are 21, plus into plus is plus, 2 9s are 18z, plus into minus is minus, 2 11s are 22, that equal to 4 8s are 32z, minus plus into minus is minus, 4 7s are 28, minus 111. So don't multiply 4 into 111. So this 4 should be multiplied for the inside the bracket terms. In the bracket there are only 2 terms. So for these 2 terms only we have to multiply 4. So don't multiply 4 and 111. Okay. Now here simply if you observe here in the left hand side I am going to say, add or subtract the like terms. 15z plus 18z, that is 30. 15 plus 15 is 30. 33z. 33z. Now if you observe minus 21 minus 22 is minus 43. Minus 43. That equal to, in the right hand side, 32z minus 28 minus 111. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 139. So I am transposing 32z to the left hand side, minus 43 to the right hand side. Now 33z plus 32z becomes minus 30 to z, that equal to the constant here minus 139 plus minus 43 becomes plus 43. Okay, now 33 minus 32 is 1z, that is z, that equal to minus 139 plus 43 minus 96. So therefore the z value is minus 96. Now let us see the shortcut method for this question. The variable involved is here z. Z equal to, here I am going to write the constants in the numerator. 4 7s are 28 minus 28 it is minus 111 as it is. In the left hand side 3 7s are 21 minus 21 becomes plus 21. Okay, now plus into minus is minus, 2 11s are 22 minus 22 becomes plus 22, that is divided by, now write the quotients of the variables. 3 5s are 15, so 15 here, 2 9s are 18 plus 18, here 4 8s are 32 plus 32 becomes minus 32. Okay, now simplify it. Minus 139 plus 21 plus 22 is plus 43 by 15 plus 18 33 minus 32 minus 139 43, subtract 6 here, 13 minus 4 is 9 minus 96 by 33 minus 32 is 1. Therefore the z value is minus 96. Let us see the 13th question. 8 half x minus 3 minus 1 half 6 minus 2x equal to 2 of x plus 2 minus 5 of 5 minus x. So multiply 8 into x, 8x plus into minus, minus 8 3s are 24. Here minus into plus is minus. Here nothing is there, means there is 1. 1 into 6 is 6. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 2x is 2x. Simply minus is minus, we are multiplying for the inside the bracket terms. Minus into plus minus 6. Minus into minus becomes plus 2x. Now here 2 I am going to multiply, that equal to 2 into x, 2x plus into plus, plus 2 2s are 4 minus into plus minus 5 5s are 25 minus into minus becomes plus 5 into x is 5x. Add or subtract the like terms on both sides. 8x plus 8x plus 2x. 8x plus 2x is 10x. Minus 24 minus 6 minus 30, that equal to plus 2x plus 5x is plus 7x plus 4 minus 25 is minus 21. Now I am transposing 7x to the left hand side, 30 to the right hand side. So 10x plus 7x becomes minus 7x, that equal to minus 21 minus 30 becomes plus 30. Okay, now 10x minus 7x is 3x. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3x, that equal to 21 minus 21 plus 30 is plus 9. Now x equal to 9 by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. Therefore the x value is 3. Now let us see the shortcut method. The variable is x here. X equal to constants I am going to write. 2 2s are 4. Minus into plus is minus. 5 5s are 25. And this side constants 8 3s are 24. Minus 24 becomes plus 24. And here minus 6 becomes plus 6 here. And that is divided by quotient of the variables. 8 into x is 8x. The quotient is 8 here. And here minus into minus plus 2x. The quotient is plus 2. And here 2x plus 2x becomes minus 2x. So minus 2 quotient. Minus into minus plus 5x. Plus 5x becomes minus 5x. So minus 5. Okay. Now if you observe here, plus 2 minus 2 get cancels here. Minus 1. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 by 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. Therefore the x value is 3. Okay, now let us see the last question in this exercise, that is 14th one. Now multiply the 3 inside bracket term, 3 into n, 3n, plus into minus minus, 3 4s are 12, plus into plus is plus, 2 4s are 8n, plus into minus is minus, 2 5s are 10, that equal to 5 into n, 5n, plus into plus plus, 5 into 2 10, plus 16. Don't multiply 5 and 16 here. 5 is multiplied with bracket terms only. Okay. Plus 3n plus 8n is plus 11n, minus 12 minus 10 is minus 22. That equal to 5n, plus 10 plus 16 is plus 26. Now I am transposing 5n to the left hand side, minus 22 to the right hand side. 11n plus 5n becomes minus 5n, that equal to 26, minus 22 becomes plus 22, plus 11 minus 5 is plus 6n, that equal to 26 plus 22 is 48. N equal to 48 by 6. 6 ones are 6 8s are. Therefore n value is 8 here. Now let us see the shortcut method for this question. The variable is n here. N equal to constants I am writing. 5 2s are 10 plus 10 plus 16, and this side 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12, minus 12 becomes plus 12. Now here plus into minus is minus, 2 5s are 10, minus 10 becomes plus 10 by, now write the quotients of the variables. 3 into n is 3n, so plus 3. Here 2 4s are 8, plus into plus is plus 8, and here 5 into n is 5n, plus 5n becomes minus 5n. Okay. Now if you observe 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40, 46, 48. 48 by 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 ones are 6 8s are. Therefore the n value is 8.